So I will show you ways how to fix your carpet, floor on your car if it's ripping apart. Let's say this is coming off like this. I will show you ways how to fix this if you don't know how to put this back up if it's falling apart. So I went to Home Depot and I bought me a Rapid Fuse. It's an all-purpose glue, kind of like glue. It bonds in 30 seconds. It's for interior and exterior. It's very good product. It's only $5 on Home Depot. Well, let's open it. Let me see if I can open up my mouth. Yeah, twist it when you open it. I recommend wearing gloves if you use this. Don't use no glue on your skin because it's very sticky. Now let's tap it little by little like this and move it. Squeeze it a little bit and just move it. Squeeze it a little bit. Squeeze it right here a little bit. Just put a little bit. Stick it in. Don't put your skin on this glue. If it does, just wash it off because it's very sticky, like I said. You know what? You might have to put more glue on it. Maybe you gotta hold it like this. Yeah, you gotta hold it. Just put some more if it doesn't hold. Recommend wearing gloves. So I already put some in my finger. It's not good. It dries up very fast. Hold it. Now let's get the small one right here. Hold it. Yep. This, what I did, it might not last for maybe 4 or 5 months. So once you have enough money, get like a professional to put on, or just get a new carpet. But this is a temporary ways to fix it. You put more glue right here. Just wear gloves, I recommend, because this is, it always stick in my finger and it feels horrible, you know. Gotta wash this with water later. Okay, not bad. So it's called Rapid Fuse, all-purpose. Get it Home Depot for $5. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.